Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making some brown gravy. This gravy is so delicious, let me tell you. Real easy. This easy homemade gravy made from scratch tastes just like your mama's brown gravy. You want to serve this on top of some mashed potatoes, roasted chicken, or turkey. Really anything you could put gravy on. For our ingredients, we have butter, flour, chicken bouillon, garlic powder, dry parsley, black pepper, and some beef broth. In a large pot over medium heat, we're going to melt our butter. Then we're going to whisk in our flour, and we're going to allow that to cook anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes. You want to make sure that you whisk your flour and your butter into a smooth paste to get all the lumps out. So next we're going to add in our garlic powder, and we're just going to mix that in. Next we're adding our black pepper. Next we're adding in our chicken bouillon. We're just mixing it up really well. And here I'm adding in my parsley. So I'm going to stir that around for a couple of more minutes. Let it get a little brownish. And then I'm going to add in my beef broth. You want to slowly pour in your beef broth a little at a time and mix well after each addition. You want to bring to a simmer and allow to cook until you have reached your desired thick. That's anywhere from about 5-10 minutes. And you want to serve it warm. So here's our gravy. I like mine a little bit loose. I don't like my gravy too thick. So here I'm just testing it out to see if it's to my liking, and it's just how I like it. And look at this gravy, baby. This gravy is so delicious. If you don't know how to make gravy, this is the best way to make some gravy. So today we made some brown gravy. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you like this video, you already know what I'm going to say. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.